listeners, welcome back with me Mutiara in Indonesia News of TRIBUN Lampung. We will present you on updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is 9 vehicle accidents in a row resulting in 3 deaths. 9 vehicles were involved in a successive accident in Panyalayan, Padang Panjang, West Sumatra on Tuesday, the 26th of January 2023. In that incident, 3 people were reported dead. Chronology Head of Public Relations of the West Sumatra Regional Police, Dwi Sulistiawan, explained that the 9 vehicles involved consist of 6 cars and 3 motorbikes. 4-wheel vehicle consists of Hino truck with the police number BAX75IU, Honda HRV KD 762VA, Toyota Kijang BA198NM, Mitsubishi pickup L300BA963IE, Toyota Fortuner B146PGG, and the Suzuki Baleno BA Sedan 118LA. As for 2-wheel vehicles, it consists of Honda Vario BA431BA, Yamaha Mio G BA508NB, and Suzuki Satria FU BA446EY. Initially, the Hino truck drove from the direction of Bukit Tinggi towards Padang Panjang, laden with chicken feed. The truck initially hit a Honda Vario motorcycle, then a Honda HRV, a Yamaha Mio G motorcycle, and a Toyota Kijang. Meanwhile, head of the Padang Panjang Resort Police Traffic Unit, the first police Aldi Lazuardi, said that the successive accidents were caused by truck brakes that lost function or failed. Padang Panjang Resort Police personnel began evacuating the involved vehicles at around 10:02 p.m., while the accident occurred before Maghrib at around 6 p.m. Launch of Autogate at Terminal 2F of Soekarno-Hatta Airport. The TPI Soekarno-Hatta Airport Special Class 1 Immigration Office launched an Autogate at Terminal 2F Soekarno-Hatta Airport, Tangerang. Autogate is an electronic crossing gate for Indonesian citizens and certain foreigners in checking out and entering Indonesia territory. Visit on wartakotalive.com. Observation at the location, the Director General of Immigration, Silmi Karim, arranged the Autogate. The Directorate General of Immigration, Silmi Karim, said 10 Autogate had begun operating at Terminal 2F. Furthermore, Silmi said that the 10 Autogates will be operated at Terminal 2F, which is equipped with the latest technological sophistication. This is because the Autogate operated at the Terminal 2F of Soekarno-Hatta Airport can be compared to the Autogate used by immigration in developed countries. The first sophistication that the Autogate has in terms of speed is that it can work in just a dozen seconds. The performance of the Autogate is even more perfect, equipped with a geometric face recognition security system. The search for a missing fisherman on the Ujungpring beach. The first day of searching for missing anglers at Ujungpring beach, Jambu Village, Blongo District, Jepara Regency on Tuesday, the 26th of January 2023 has not yielded result. The joint volunteer team has yet to find Sony, a resident of Purworejo Village by District Kadus Regency, who disappeared after his boat was hit by high waves. He and 2 of his colleagues, Hari Prasetyo from Tenggeles, Mejobo District, Kudus Regency, and Fahru Rozi from Lati Village, Kudus District, Kudus Regency, went fishing on Tuesday, the 24th of January 2023. They departed from Moro Rejo Village. They planned to fish for 4 days, but the plan was cancelled because they saw bad weather. Apart from that, their boat fuel stock are running low. On Wednesday, the 25th of January 2023, they returned home, and when they reached Ujungpring waters, the boat ran out of fuel. The condition worsened due to the weather. high waves hit their boat, causing the boat to capsize. 2 people survived it and 1 person is missing. Residents' land and roads were flooded due to tidal flooding in the Sambas coastal area. Tidal floods and high waves are still occurring in the coastal area of Sambas, West Kalimantan. As a result of tidal flooding and high waves that occur on the coast of Matang Sambas Lake, West Kalimantan, this had an impact on land and infrastructure. Bridge and road infrastructure was damaged by a sea wave when the high tide flooded Matang Danau Beach, Palu District, Sambas on Tuesday, the 26th of January 2023. Matang Danau Beach tourism was hit by a tidal flood which caused seawater on the beach to rise to the road in Matang Danau Village, Palu District, Sambas Regency on Tuesday, the 26th of January 2023. The head of Matang Danau High Levi Village explained that there is a lot of land belonging to the evacuated residents around the coast. Besides that, several residents were also evacuated by the rope and high waves. A number of bridge and road infrastructure were damaged as a result of being hit by sea waves during the tidal wave in Matang Danau Village. He appealed to the residents of Matang Danau to always be vigilant and increase preparedness and communication should another rope occur. The fugitives in the Mahakam Ulu corruption case have been arrested. A fugitive in a corruption case involving the construction of a bridge in Mahakam Hulu Regency has been arrested by the Attorney General of the Republic Indonesia in South Kalimantan. The team to catch fugitives from the Attorney General Service of the Republic Indonesia succeeded in arresting the director of the Bumi Anugrah Persada Company with the initial S. The fugitive from the District Attorney's Office for West Kutai Regency was arrested on Wednesday, the 25th of January 2023 at around 11 p.m. as hit in the Fitria Resident Housing Complex, Guntung Manggis Village, Landasan Udin District, Banjarbaru City, South Kalimantan Province. The construction of the Tika Mahulu River Construct Bridge at the Mahakam Ulu Regency Public Works Service for the 2015 fiscal year valued at more than 4 billion rupiah was apparently diverted by us. This resulted in state losses of more than 2 billion rupiah. It was further explained that suspect S before fleeing had lived at Rut Kacamada, Barontonggok Village, Barontonggok District, West Kutai Regency, or AYL Senopati Rut, Barontonggok Village, Barontonggok District, West Kutai Regency. The excavator computer thief was caught by the police. A joint team of the Criminal Investigation Unit of the Pelalawan Reserve Police and the Kerumutan Sector Police arrested a gang of perpetrators of theft and violence specializing in heavy equipment in the Pelalawan area. A total of 7 male suspects were arrested at different places and times by the joint team. Each actor has their own role in carrying out the action of probing the computer of an excavator type heavy equipment. The last news is, a female student was held captive by robbers in her house. A female student in Makassar City, South Sulawesi is reported to have been the victim of a robbery. The robbery took place in a student house on Atira Road, Panakukang District, Makassar on Tuesday, the 26th of January 2023 in the morning. From the video footage circulating, the house of the student lived in appeared to be damaged where the front window was suspected to have been pried off. The contents of one of the rooms in the house also looked messy after the perpetrator messed it up. The female student seemed to be calmed down by some of her friends. Not only that, the female resident of the house was also reportedly held captive. The perpetrators are estimated to be 3 people, and the chronology of the incident is not yet known. TribunTimur.com is still trying to confirm the police regarding the incident. Well, I think that's all the news for today with me, Butiara. Don't forget to follow us in YouTube Tribun Lampung News Video, Facebook Tribun Lampung, Instagram @Tribun Lampung, and TikTok @Tribun Lampung for further information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.